Hi everyone, you have USB drives above 32 GB capacity and you want to format it as FAT32, but the Windows default does not allow you to do so. So let's see how you can format it as FAT32. So before you format the drive, make sure you take a backup of all the contents of the drive, as all of your data will get formatted during the process. Simply open your browser and search for Format USB. Then go to this web page and simply download the tool from here. Once downloaded, right-click over the tool and run it as administrator. Click on Yes. Now make sure the proper USB drive is showing here. Then in the file system, select large FAT32 default and simply click on Start. Click on OK. And that's it, the job is done. The USB drive will get successfully converted to FAT32 file system. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.